gonna tell you guys why having a car like this is perfectly fine nowadays. Not only is it perfectly fine, but this how a car is supposed to be like, right? You see, don't mind the tissues. I just cleaned the car a couple of days ago with the tissues and some spray, but I just have to vacuum it here, as you can see. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys my car. My previous videos, I had another car. It was a Golf GTI, and I had so much issues with my previous car. Yeah, it had 110 horsepower. It was fast, it was fun, all that, but it was breaking down constantly, you know. And I thought, you know what, I'm not gonna fix that shit anymore, because I'm tired of fixing it all the time. I don't mind fixing cars, but I mean, just look at this, right? Look, suck. Look at this. Everything is working perfectly, guys. Look, I mean, it got AC, and the AC is working. The AC is also working perfectly. Look, I just want to show you guys. I'm starting this car. Easy. No noises. Nothing beeping. No lights. No nothing. I mean, can you see? Got plenty of space. So why would you get a car that's making constant noises, constant problems? Just don't get that. So this is the engine, 1.3 petrol. And I just cleaned it a couple of days ago. You can see. And guess how much I bought this car for? Let me know in the comments. I mean, I get it if you say, like, you know, I have a dream car that I want to have and all that. I get that, because my dream car used to be the Golf 6 GTI that I used to own. And now I don't have a dream car. You know why? Because why should I pay for a car that I know it's like a car is a liability, right? So you have to constantly put in money into it. And honestly, all I want is to have a car that works good. I don't care how old it is. I mean, it's not supposed to be like breaking down all the time, but sometimes you do have to fix your cars and small maintenance, but that's just normal. And otherwise, why should you have a payment of $1,000 a month? That's really not worth it, guys. So I mean, that's just my opinion. There are so many cars that you can choose from. You just have to do some research. And I mean, obviously there are bigger cars, but the bigger one, the more you have to pay taxes and insurance and all that. But anyways, I just wanted to show you my car. Peace out.